We have studied arithmetic progression and some formulas related to it. Do they have any practical applications? Let us see a few examples. Rohit decided to save some money daily. On the first day, he saved A rupees. Then onwards, he increased his daily savings by 2 rupees each subsequent day. If his total savings at the end of 10 days amounted to 120 rupees, determine the amount he saved on the first day. Solution. Rohit saved A rupees on the first day. Then he increased his savings by 2 rupees each subsequent day. So, his daily savings were A rupees, A plus 2, A plus 4, A plus 6 and so on. The amounts saved over 10 days form an arithmetic progression with common difference D equal to 2 and the first term A. After 10 days, the total savings amounted to 120 rupees. So, the sum of the first 10 terms is 120 and we need to find the first term A. Now, let's use the formula for the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, S10 is equal to 120 is equal to 10 upon 2 into 2a plus 10 minus 1 into 2 is equal to 5 into 2a plus 18. Therefore, 120 is equal to 10a plus 90. Therefore, 10a is equal to 30. Therefore, a is equal to 3. Hence, Rohit started with rupees 3 on the first day. Ayush read 8 pages of a book on the first day. On each subsequent day, he read 4 pages more than the previous day. If the book has 1400 pages, how many days did he take to read the entire book? Solution. Ayush read 8 pages on the first day. On the second day, he read 4 more pages, that is 12 pages. On the third day, he read 4 more pages than on the second day, that is 16 pages. The number of pages read each day is 8, 12, 16, 20. Each subsequent term is 4 more than the previous term. Therefore, this sequence is an arithmetic progression. Here, the first term A is equal to 8 and the common difference D is equal to 4. We need to find the number of days it took to read 1400 pages. In other words, we need to find the value of n. For this, we should use the formula for the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2 into 8 plus n minus 1 into 4 is equal to n upon 2 into 16 plus 4n minus 4 is equal to n upon 2 into 12 plus 4n is equal to n upon 2 into 2 into 6 plus 2n is equal to n into 6 plus 2n is equal to 6n plus 2n square. Therefore, 2n square plus 6n minus 1400 is equal to 0. Now, let's divide this equation by 2. Therefore, n square plus 3n minus 700 is equal to 0. Therefore, n square plus 28n minus 25n minus 700 is equal to 0. Therefore, n plus 28 into n minus 25 is equal to 0. Therefore, n is equal to minus 28 or negative 28 or n is equal to 25. N is equal to minus 28 or negative 28 is not possible. Therefore, n is equal to 25. Thus, Ayush will take 25 days to read 1400 pages. What did we learn? We learned some applications of arithmetic progression formulas. Exercise. The angles of a quadrilateral form an arithmetic progression. Starting from the smallest one, each successive angle increases by 25 degrees. Find the measures of all 4 angles of the quadrilateral. A tree was 120 centimeter tall in the first year. Every year, it grows by 15 centimeter. Determine the height of the tree after 10 years.